Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about convergent and divergent. So now I want to show you how to answer. So the question they want to use about the root test. So in this one I will put about an equals to this one, and now we can apply the formula in here. So we have n root of the absolute value of an. So in this situation I will put this one going here. However, we know that all the value inside of this one they are positive, so we can cancel the absolute value, and we have like this. So the power n with the nth root we simplified, and we have like this. Now we need to divide by n on numerator and the denominator, and this one we have like this. So when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to number 0, similar for this one, and we have 1/2. 1/2 is smaller than number 1. So this is about convergence. This is the end. Thank you for watching.